Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be going through some of the earning reports that came from NIO last evening. I'm gonna briefly go over this and where I see the stock price from this moment onward in the next year or so to say. So stick around because I think you will find this video of value. Welcome back. Let's get right into what the report from NIO's earning was and what exactly the CEO of NIO mentioned in particular about the delivery. So they said that NIO in Q1 2021 had 20,060 sales car delivered. Their Q1 2021 was 16% more in delivery over the Q4 2020. That is really good for the company. Quarter over quarter increase in delivery. Now they were also suggesting that let's say projecting that by end of Q2 they're expecting 21 to 22,000 vehicles being delivered. That will be almost 10% increase over Q1. So if you trace it back from Q4 2020 to Q1 2021, they had 16% of increase in deliveries, and then now and overall they delivered 20,060 cars so to say cars sold. By end of Q2 they want this delivery to be sitting right between 21 to 22,000, and thus expecting 10% increase further. Now they did mention the semiconductor issues, just like Ford was talking about it. In fact, Ford labeled it, before it get better it will get worse, something of that sort. That was not good for the company and overall for the EVs in general. That was the same issue NIO also talked about, the semiconductor chips issue. This is the same thing Tesla is facing. I think that was the reason why the stock yesterday was, after the earnings, was red slightly. Today also, before the market opened, it was in the pre-market it was in red. But of course, the sooner the market opened, it popped back. And just like I had mentioned, that there is a good chance when the earning estimates are good, when they will beat the earning estimates well, there is a chance that the stock price will go high 2 to 5%. And right now you can see that as the market was closing, it was sitting at 39.84 with 2.15% being green for the day, and after hours also you see it being green a little bit. So overall NIO did really good. They beat the estimates with quite a bit of margin. They had really good sales. So their expected sales were 1.06 billion, and their actual sales were 1.22 billion, beating it by almost 160 million. That's massive, I would say, for the company. Overall, they are further expecting around about 1.24 to 1.29 billion for Q2. That's continuing to increase that. So I'm quite bullish on NIO, and I think they're doing great things for the future. I think they're gonna be, for sure, if not like at the same level of competitor, but for sure not far behind from Tesla in the next 5 to 10 years. They're doing great things. They are establishing their roots in Europe and similarly in America. Right now they're focused on Norway in particular. They're already leading in China. It's not just me. If you look at the analyst point of view on this, they're already considering it a moderate buy from the current price, that is 39. They're projecting it for the next 12 months to be a stock of almost $60, almost 50% upside potential they see in this from the current price. So every top analyst from the Wall Street see this stock stock being going really high in the next 5 to 10 years. So there are really good things coming for NIO. They're working together with Xpeng. They're also working together with Ford for their charging station. There's so many good things. I can go on and talk about NIO again and again, but I think this stuff in 1 year has done so much that many other companies haven't done in decades. You see, this stock was sitting at $3 back in May 2020, and right now it's at 39, and wasn't long back that it was sitting above 60. But now if you look at it, the downside of this stock, the worst case scenario in the last 3 months, the highest downside for this stock is 35. So if you look at it right from November onward, the worst dip that it had was here. You see in December was 40, then end of December was 44, and then in March it was 35, and then end of March was again 35. Couple of weeks back it was 35. So from the current price, the downside you see is maximum 10%, but the upside potential is huge. You see, I just showed you that the analyst point of view is almost 50% upside potential. So that's what I see in NIO. I think NIO is going to do great in future, and I'm very happy from the estimates and the way they beat those estimates through their earning calls last night. And I'm very bullish for the Q2 as well. I think NIO is gonna do great. So if you like this video and if you found this video of value, do yourself as well as me a favor and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.